Good morning, class. Today we shall learn Social Studies, Chapter 6 Hot Desert of the World. The objectives of this lesson are hot desert, climate, life in the region, economic activities in desert, modern life in hot desert. See on page number 30 of your textbook in the box given. The first question, where does the type of vegetation grow? The answer is hot desert. Second, what type of rainfall does the region receives? The answer is scanty rainfall. Third, what is the climate condition of the region? It is hot and dry. Now, let us discuss about some deserts of the world, hot deserts of the world. See on page 31, it is given in info bubble box. Some hot deserts of the world are the Sahara and Kalahari Desert in Africa, the Great Australian Desert in Australia, the Mexican Desert in Mexico, the Thar Desert in India and Pakistan, the Arabian Desert in Saudi Arabia. Students, you know what is a desert? A desert is a large area in which few plants grow. A desert is dry because it gets very little rain. A hot desert have very high temperature, daytime temperature throughout the year. In the desert, there is a great difference between the temperature of day and night. Days are hot, but nights are quite cold. Sometimes freezing cold. It rains only for a few days every year, usually less than 25 centimeter per year. Sometimes it does not rain for many years. Deserts are found in both the hemisphere. Now let us discuss the first objective of this chapter in detail. First, we shall discuss what are hot deserts. This type of deserts lies between 15 and 30 north and south of the equator. There is topic of Cancer and topic of Capricorn. Here days are extremely hot and nights are cold. There is very little moisture in air. Now let us discuss about the second objective, that is climate of this hot desert. This region are hottest region on earth. The weather is extreme and very scanty rainfall. In some desert like Sahara Desert, it does not rain for years. The temperature is hot desert. The temperature in hot desert is highest in the world. The daytime is very hot and the temperature can go up to 50 but at night it can falls up to 10 even in summer season. Now we shall discuss about the third objective, that is life in the hot region. The plant life in the hot region. The plants found in the deserts are well adapted to withstand these types of climate. Some plants with long root system that penetrates deep inside the surface for water. The stems are thick and fleshy that helps them to store water. Some are fibrous and have long thorns with thick waxy coating to prevent the loss of moisture through transpiration. Example is acacia. In desert there is a tree known as a bottle tree, the baobab tree. It is found in Kalahari Desert in Africa and is the Great Australian Desert. Its trunk is barrel in shape and becomes hollow as it gets older. It can store over 1000 liters of water in its hollow trunk. Desert all have shrubs, prickly pear, desert holly and the betel bush. Most of the desert plants are drought and salt tolerance. They are called the xerophytes. Animal life in the hot desert. Animals found in the desert are kangaroo, rat, jack, lizard and scorpion. The most important and the most useful animal found is the camel, which is called the sheep of the desert. It has long legs and padded feet, which help it to walk and run easily on the sand. It has some special features such as storing water in its hump and surviving without food and water for many days. Its thick eyelashes protect it from sandstorm. Its cushiony lips and strong jaws help it to eat thorny bushes without hurting itself. Now, human life in the hot desert. Here, desert has a hostile environment. Despite this, rich culture thrives in hot desert. For example, Bedouins, they are the nomadians, the inhabitant of the north, and Arabia and Tuaregs of Western Sahara has a vibrant culture tradition. Their occupation is trading, farming, mining, and animal rearing. They keep the animals like sheep, goat, horses, and camel. The inhabitant of the desert, they often move from one place to another in search of food, water, and pasture for their cattle. One important thing, there are a small patches of land in desert having water in form of lakes or pond. It is called oasis. Human life in desert is mainly found around these oases. Now we shall talk about the fourth objective of this chapter, that is economic activity in desert. Trading. Trading is one of the main occupation of people in desert. They trade in rugs, dates, food grains, carpet, etc. Trading is done on camelback. Merchants or traders move from one place to another with their goods and make business. Now we come to farming. Farming in the hot deserts. Farming is Date farming is the most common tree found in desert. Farming is practiced near the patches of water called oases. They grow crops like rice, millet, and maize in summer, and in winter they grow wheat, barley, beans, and lentils. Desert farming has only been made possible due to the modern method of irrigation. In India, the desert is In India, Thar Desert is a good example for dry farming. It is even practiced in Imperial Valley of California, some part of Australia, Israel, Africa, and Eastern Sahara is also practice dry farming. Now, last we come on a factor, mining. In some desert, mining is also another important activity practiced. Minerals like gold, silver, uranium deposit, iron, zinc ores, and lead have been found in the Great Australian Desert. The harsh climate of this desert makes exploitation resources a challenge. Now we come to the last objective of this chapter, that is modern life in the hot desert. In modern time, people have adapted themselves to the hot climate of desert in the following ways. Here, three important points are given. With the help of modern technology, people in the desert have started using advanced irrigation system to handle the problem of water shortage. Through the method of desalination, salty water is processed into potable water. It is particularly done in Australia. As it is an expensive method, it is not popular yet, so still people are facing water problem. Some people in the desert still use camel as a mean of transport. Today, many deserts are oil rich areas and the people can afford motor vehicles. Thus, flyovers and roads have been constructed in many desert cities to make travel easy and comfortable. So, in this way, people of desert have adapted modern life. Now, let us revise the important point that we have discussed in this chapter. The first point is temperature is very high in the hot desert. Desert receives scanty rainfall. The plants found here are well adapted to withstand the hot climate. Camel is traditionally used as a means of transport in desert. The economic activity in desert are trading, mining and farming. In modern time life in desert has changed a lot. Thank you.